Hey there, water lovers! Are you ready to take your hydration game to the next level? If you've been using your iTeracare device to enhance and structure your water, then you are in for a real treat. You know, structured water using the iTeracare device is simply amazing, and you might have already noticed how when you structure it, it has this smooth, silky mouthfeel, and that shows that it allows it to be better absorbed right into your cells. Water is truly fascinating, and it has the unique ability to absorb and carry energy and information. You know, Dr. Emoto's water crystal experiments have shown us just how incredible water really is. So let's take this knowledge and use it to create some truly healing elixirs. Hi, I'm Renee McLaughlin, your go-to girl for all things health and wellness. As a certified health coach, trainer, and independent price distributor, I'm always on the lookout for the latest and greatest types of products that can help you live your best life. And today, I really am excited to share with you one of my new faves. Price International has just released some amazing new wearable wellness patches from Nature's Frequencies that are sure to take your health to the next level. These patches use their U.S. patented technology to deliver powerful numerical frequencies and botanical ingredients straight into your body. And let me tell you, the results really can be pretty darn amazing. One of their most popular patches is called the Renew Patch, and it is packed with all kinds of goodness, from restoring and renewing your body inside and out to promoting increased energy. And how many of us need some energy? It also helps you with your vitality and longevity. So you can tell the patch could really be a game changer. It also was designed to provide relief from stress, inflammation, discomfort, while improving flexibility, mobility, and it even includes the quantity and quality of our sleep. And here's what's coming up really exciting. I've come up with a fun and easy way to combine the power of the wand, water, and the benefits of your Renew Patch. So you simply put a Renew Patch right here on your water bottle. You can't see mine, but I have it there. And then you're going to take your blower and you're going to blow right through that patch into the water. So now you'll not only be infusing your water with that terahertz gap energy, structuring it, but now you're also going to be getting those amazing wellness frequencies from the patch. So trust me, this is pretty darn fun. And if you'll try it out, I'd love to hear what you notice. So go ahead, grab your wand, grab your water, put the patch on here, get blowing, and get started on your journey to a healthier, happier, and younger you. I am wishing you a wonderful day.